This activity is meant to be a follow-up to our maps discussion. So now we know what maps are used for, and we know about the different types of maps. Now we're ready to do the exploration activity, where we're actually reading a map and searching for places. So after you set up Google Maps, choose 5 or more questions to answer. Type the bold highlighted words into the Google Maps search bar. Be sure to type the question number you choose next to the answers that you find. The first question says, fly to Kingda Ka roller coaster, Jackson, New Jersey. Which theme park is it located in? Number 2 says, fly to the Empire State Building. What is the address? Number 3 says, fly to the Golden Gate Bridge. What is the name of the island east of the bridge in San Francisco Bay? Number 4 says, fly to the Statue of Liberty. On what island is the statue located? Number 5 says, fly to Four Corners Monument. What are the 4 states that come together at this place? Number 6 says, fly to Kennedy Space Center. What is the number of the closest highway? Number 7 says, fly to SeaWorld San Diego, California. Is most of the parking on the north, east, south, or west side? Number 8 says, fly to Dinosaur National Monument. What is the address? Number 9 says, fly to Moody Gardens. What body of water is located to the north?